Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a vegetarian recipe, and it's going to be creamy Matar Paneer. Paneer I'm going to use 1 pound, 12-ounce sweet peas, 2 cup heavy whipping cream, olive oil for tadka. First step will be cutting up the paneer in bite-sized pieces, and then I'll share with you rest of the ingredients. Paneer cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 onion finely chopped, ginger, garlic, green chili 1 teaspoon each, and we're going to use organic tomato sauce half can, and the spices from masala dabba. And let's start making our delicious vegetarian dish, creamy Matar Paneer. Get a karahi and start a gas. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seed, jeera. Mix it. Cook for 10 seconds. Add ginger, garlic, green chili. Mix it well. Cook for 20 seconds. Once the raw garlicky flavor is gone, we'll add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking. Onions are nicely brown. Add tomato sauce. Half can, 7 ounce. Mix it well. Cook tomato sauce along with tadka for 2 minutes. Cooking tomato sauce along with tadka for 2 minutes. Add spices. 1 teaspoon salt, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, degi mirch 1 teaspoon. Mix it well and cook spices along with tadka for half minute. Cooking spices along with tadka for half minute. Add paneer. Mix it well. Once the paneer is nicely combined with the tadka, add sweet peas, matar. These are frozen. Mix them well. Once it's nicely combined, bring your gas to medium, which is medium heat. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes on medium gas. Mix it well. Once it's nicely mixed, add whipping cream. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, on medium gas, cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes on medium gas. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, now the last ingredient, 2 teaspoon kasuri methi. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, Bring your gas to low, which is simmer, and we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook for 2 minutes so that it will soak up all the kasuri methi flavor. Another 2 minutes on simmer. I'll open it, mix it well, and I'll turn off the gas. Our creamy Matar Paneer is all done. I get my serving bowl and I will dish out. Super creamy, rich, tasty Matar Paneer. Let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious creamy Matar Paneer and super rich. So if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.